Welcome, in front of me is a Realme 11 Pro Plus, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this device. Now, before we get started, you will need to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now, once you have either one of those, start off, just take off a case of your device if you have one on, and the tray will be located at the bottom of the device. So find where you get to insert it, which is at the edge right here, and push it in. And as you can see, once you push it in, the tray pops out just enough for you to be able to grab it and take it out. Now I do have a SD card prepared right here, but as you can probably see, this tray only accommodates SIM cards and not the SD card, so get rid of that. Here's my SIM card. All you need to do is just place it with the chip side facing up and insert it back into your device. It's telling me to put my SIM card pin, and there we go. So that is how you insert your SIM card, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.